morning guys. The vehicle customer complained when stuck in traffic cause the engine will overheat and the AC stop working. So the first thing to do, start the engine. I would like to do something here. As you can see, we think about in some symptom like that, we think about the fan are not working. Okay, let's go ahead and turn on the fan and turn on the AC and go under the hood and to see the radiator fan and running or not. As you can hear and see in the video, the radiator fan is running right now, and yeah, on both running. When we turn on the AC and we know that's the fan both running, that it means all two fans in working condition. So now I would like to do, turn the AC off and then run the engine for a while, and then to see the fan turn on with the operating temperature or not. First I would like to do, read the fog code and see what we have in here. Okay, we have the oxygen sensor 1 circuit no activity. That's caused the car overheat now. And 0420 catalytic system efficiency below threshold. Okay, that's all the code. It doesn't cause the engine overheat. Let me would like to do, go for I would test the fan and see it running or not, but keep in mind that on some model the computer will control the fan when it's on the computer side. Okay, let the fan. Okay, right now the fan turn off guys. I will be on under the hood and see the fan running or not. As you can see right now the fan is stopped, and same thing on this side. I don't know if you can see in the video. And so let's go ahead on the scan tool. I will turn it on. Yeah, the fan turned on right now guys. As you can hear in the video, the fan running right now. Yep, both sides running. It's good. Yep, but this car, the vehicle still overheats. I believe the fan not running when the engine hot. Let me turn off the fan. Yeah, right now the fan off guys. Yeah, okay. Okay, let me turn off the fan and then run the engine for a while until see how hot it is and the fan turn on or not. The radiator fan and the AC condenser fan wiring diagram, as you can see, let me zoom. As you can see, the radiator, the fan motor here, and the condenser fan AC condenser fan motor right here. And we don't worry about the fan anymore because it's, when we test it, when we turn on the AC, the fan working. Also when we by direction to test the fan, as you can see, the fan radiator fan relay right here, AC condenser fan right here guys. Yeah, fan radiator fan relay and AC condenser fan relay right here. And who control that? As you can see, this one. Yeah, I don't want to print this out. It's just real quick here guys. On the control side of the relay, of course when the relay working, we don't worry about the power, fuel, anything. Even we don't worry about the computer, because you see the fan control communication, PCM, ECM, and all here, AC switch, something like that. But think about when we control the fan, the PCM control the fan. That means it sends the ground to the relay to turn it on, both relay, and then it's working. As you can see, the PCM send the ground here, and this relay is engaged, and also share the ground to the AC condenser fan, and also working. But when the engine hot, as you can see on the ground side here, and this one it go to, we call the radiator fan switch, and where this switch located, and I can see, go look for the circuit. As you can see, 2-pin connector, pin number 1 is grounded right here to pin number 1 right here, guys, and pin number 2, that means continuous ground to the relay. But this, I believe, I guess this switch may be bad, it doesn't work anymore. That's why cause the car overheat, because when the engine hot, the computer doesn't control the relay, fan relay working at all. So it's just waiting until the AC, maybe, I don't know. Okay, well, now I would like to locate this switch and then check it out, see what's going on. This one, when the temperature reach temperature, and this switch will close and send the ground to the relay. Back here, as you can see, the radiator fan switch right here is located underneath the radiator. As you can see, the radiator hose right here, the switch right here, and I will asset on this switch and maybe test some circuit, something over there, and see what's going on. I would like to disconnect this. We don't need to check to see we missing the ground on this or not. We just bypass, yeah, connect pin number 1 to number 2 if the radiator fan running when the engine hot. I mean, we can do this when the engine on the scan tool, engine temperature on the scan tool is something like 220, 225, 230 degrees. We can test this, because if you test it when the engine temperature is still low, that means we don't know this switch working or not. Okay, back in the car, I want to get out from here, and yeah, also out, I would like to read the data stream and see, yeah, engine coolant temperature, engine speed, maybe not. Okay, and also fan control. You remember this fan control, when the fan running with the radiator, the fan switch turn on, this fan is still stay up. Let me see, let me do this for you guys, see everything okay, and try to turn the AC on and to see this on or not. Yeah, as you can see, when the fan, the switch turn on the radiator fan, the fan control is not on, but it's on when the AC on. Right now the AC on, guys, the fan control is on. Okay, I don't want the coolant, I don't want the temperature drop when the AC on, the fan running, because I want to wait until some temperature like 230, something like that. The only way right now, wrap the engine. Oh man, I put on the brake. Yeah, okay guys, right there. I want to rise the temperature quickly. Yeah, right now 3000 RPM. Okay guys, I will do this for a while and we come back when the temperature like I say, I wait until 220 or 225, 30, something like that. I will test the switch because I should not, or you guys test on your car should not test the switch right now with this temperature, because about this temperature maybe the switch is not closed yet, it's still open. After wrap the engine for a while, as you can see right now the coolant temperature at 235 degrees. That is, it seems too much right now. And see, the radiator fan is still not running right there guys. As you can see, I can put my hand in there and you guys can see, yeah, you see right now the fan not running even on this side. As you can see right there guys, the fan still not running. Yep. Okay guys, that's it. And now why I do this, because I told you again, should not test the switch when the temperature is still low. We have to test the switch when the temperature is high like this. Okay, now time to go to the switch and we will do some test over there by I will connect the pin number 1 to number 2, see the fan running or not. 240 degrees, 39 degrees right now, but the fan still not running. Okay, now it's time to look for the switch right here. Look at this right here guys. I don't know, you can see in the video. Let me, yeah, this switch right here guys. Let me disconnect it. Yeah, disconnect the connector, and then using a little wire, I don't know where I put this, right here. Yep. Okay, let me see if I can go back there. I don't need this because I already, you can hear in the video. Yep, the fan running right now guys. Got connection. Yeah, you guys can hear the video, the fan running right now. Let's leave it alone like that. And then look at the temperature. Yeah, the temperature dropped to 213 right now. As you can see, yep, 206, and the fan is running right there. Okay guys, yeah, the fan running and the temperature will be dropped, but it will not stop the fan because we manually bypass the switch. It will not stop until the temperature drop down for the thermostat close. Okay, anyway, as you can see in the video, first in some symptom like this, the customer complained the car got overheat when stuck on the traffic, and when the radiator too hot and the condenser closer to the fan, and I don't know, she says she turned on the AC but it's still hot, and made the freon, AC freon is very high pressure. It caused the AC stop, shut down the AC maybe. And in this case, as you guys in the beginning, I turn on the engine and turn on the AC. That means I want to know the fans motor still working or not. And then second, go to bi-direction and check for the fan also. But don't believe when you test for the fan bi-direction, the computer control, that means it works. Why? We have to run the engine until the temperature is over, but fan still not running, and we choice to check for the switch, but in this case, like on my experience, something like this, and like you see right now the fan it never stops. We will go back to see it stop if I take the wire out. No more connected, no more, like right here. Yeah, I stopped. Yeah, on my hand. Yep, the fan stopped, guys. Okay, that's it, guys. The vehicle need the radiator fan switch, and I will fix the problem. As you can see, follow the video. If your vehicle has same problem, first thing, start the engine, turn on the AC. If both fans running, that means the fan very good, relay very good. If you have the scan tool, turn body dressing, but we don't really need it. Just wait until the temperature is too hot, you think. Go ahead and bypass the connector like I did, and then go ahead and change the switch. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.